Dell docking station screen flickering is a common frustration affecting many users. Understanding the root causes and recent improvements is essential for resolving these display issues. Approximately 15 to 20% of Dell docking station users experience display flickering. This problem is most common with multi-monitor setups, 4K displays, and older docking station models from before 2022. Modern Dell docking stations feature multiple connection types including USB-C, Thunderbolt, HDMI, DisplayPort, and traditional USB-A ports. Each connection method has different bandwidth capabilities and limitations. Four primary factors cause docking station flickering. Bandwidth limitations occur when multiple high-resolution displays exceed the available data throughput. Power delivery issues arise when insufficient power reaches connected monitors. Driver conflicts involve outdated or incompatible DisplayLink software. Hardware incompatibilities include cable quality issues and monitor specification mismatches. Different USB standards provide varying bandwidth capabilities. USB-C with Thunderbolt 4 offers the highest bandwidth at 40 gigabits per second, while older USB standards provide significantly less. Higher bandwidth connections reduce the likelihood of display flickering with multiple monitors. Dell has made significant improvements to address flickering issues. Updated DisplayLink drivers version 11.4 and newer specifically target USB-C flickering problems. Automatic firmware updates have been released for popular models including WD19TB, WD19TBS, and WD22TB4. Newer Dell laptops with USB 4 ports show improved stability, and Windows 11 24H2 provides better compatibility with Dell docking stations. Many Dell docking stations use DisplayLink technology, which provides software-based display compression to support multiple monitors through a single USB connection. Understanding this architecture helps explain why driver updates are so crucial for resolving flickering issues. Understanding these root causes and Dell's recent improvements provides the foundation for effective troubleshooting. The next step is implementing systematic solutions to resolve flickering issues. The first and most effective solution is updating your drivers. Start by downloading the latest DisplayLink drivers from Dell's support website. Next, update your graphics drivers. For Intel systems, use the Intel Driver and Support Assistant for automatic updates. For AMD graphics cards, open AMD Radeon software and enable automatic updates in the System tab. NVIDIA users should download GeForce Experience for the latest driver updates and optimization. Step 2 is performing a proper power cycle. This simple procedure can resolve many connectivity issues by resetting the docking station's internal state. Step 3 involves optimizing your display settings. Set all monitors to the same refresh rate, with 60 Hz being the most stable option. Also disable Windows HDR if it's enabled, as HDR can cause compatibility issues with some docking stations. If software solutions don't work, try hardware adjustments. Use certified Thunderbolt or USB-C cables and consider reducing display resolution or limiting the number of external monitors. For persistent issues, try advanced solutions like disabling USB Selective Suspend in Power Options or updating your system BIOS to the latest version. By systematically applying these troubleshooting steps, you can resolve most Dell docking station flickering issues and restore stable display performance.